Good morning, everyone. We are back at Knott's Berry Farm for a weekly update. Happy Mother's Day. It is Mother's Day Sunday. We just had a delicious brunch at Mrs. Knott's Chicken Dinner Restaurant. They do a Mother's Day brunch every year. And unfortunately, I did lose my mom New Year's Day in 2010. So she is up there watching over us eating. And her last Mother's Day was here at Knott's for the Mother's Day brunch. That year it was inside Spurs. Now Mrs. Murphy's in the park. I'll edit in some photos of that visit back in 2009 at the end of this video. But we're going to celebrate her in spirit today, go in the park, do our updates, see what's open, closed, show you what else is going on, construction walls, and I think there is a new shooting gallery. But we're going to work off all the food we just ate. It was absolutely delicious. Thank you to Emily, our server, of course, Sheila, Chef Bobby, everyone else inside. So let's head on in. I was debating on wearing my glasses because they did fall on the floor in the restroom. And on top of that, I spilled, it was me, and no one inside the restaurant except for myself, spilled an entire glass of orange juice all over my lap. So my pants are stuck to my leg, and I have dirty bathroom glasses. But you know what? We're going to go in anyway. Let's go. Work continues over here in between the entrance and exit, whatever they're doing. We're not quite sure. If you have any ideas, comment down in the comments. You have one more weekend after today of the Boysenberry Festival and Sunday, May 18th. That means one more week to use your tasting cards. Ghost Rider is down for maintenance through May 16th, and also scheduled for maintenance, which we told you last week, was Snoopy's Tender Paw Twister Coaster, but I understand it has reopened early, so we're going to walk over to Camp Snoopy and verify that. But as far as we know, other than Montezuma, which is getting worked on, no other ride closures at this time. So there are still Boysenberry plants, and now through the end of the festival, they are buy two, get one free. The shooting gallery was behind walls last time we were here. All redone. Looks really, really nice. Look at the cobwebs up there with the spiders. And here's a look down below. And it still uses game cards, which you can purchase right here. Work wall still up here in front of the saloon, in front of the Calico Park stage. We believe this is just infrastructure work, but nothing has been announced, so we will see when the walls come down. We found a breeze and shade right here in front of Wipeout. Now, we forgot to tell you a couple weeks ago Wipeout reopened. I don't know why we didn't include it. Maybe we missed walking by here. So the ride, Wipeout, right underneath the Sky Cabin, was closed since October. It is since reopened. We're waiting for it to load to do a quick video. And then I think we're going to run past Snoopy's Tender Paw Twister Coaster and head on out, because it is going to be a hot one again today. Not as hot as yesterday, but a huge thank you to all those associates out here in this heat. Thank you for being here. Here in front of the Boardwalk Games, it looks like the signage has been taken down in front of this side of the games. It used to look like that, so maybe they are going to be replacing it. We'll check back in next week, but currently no shade and no signs for these games. And we reported last week that a piece of the Montezuma track was delivered, and the Orange County Register actually confirmed with Knott's that that was part of this ride. So some movement here. At least some of the new track has been delivered, but other than that, not much of an update and no official opening date yet. So it does look like Snoopy's Tender Paw Twister Coaster is open. We're waiting for it to load. Well, there it goes. That is it here from Knott's Berry Farm on this Mother's Day Sunday. Again, happy Mother's Day to everyone. We're going to insert some pictures from my mom here at Knott's in just a few seconds. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on, and follow us on social media. And if we missed an update, put it down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. See you soon. I almost forgot, Roxy. You always comment down in the comments. Thank you so much. And I believe it was your mother's birthday within the last few days, so just happy birthday. And here are those photos of my mom and I at Knott's Berry Farm. This was 2009. This was my mom's last Mother's Day. We went to brunch at what was then Spurs, now Mrs. Murphy's, and had a beautiful breakfast. We spent a few hours in the park and then went over to Disneyland for a few hours before flying back home to Phoenix. And one of my favorite videos of my mom at Knott's was in the teddy bear shop, which is now the dress shop, where you enter to go into the Prestige Lounge. It used to have teddy bears in there, and we actually bought the singing teddy bear, and I still have it. It is in the closet. I still have it to this day. Again, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. We'll see you soon next week at Knott's Berry Farm.